Greetings, one and all. Welcome back to this channel, where every day at 5 o'clock in the morning, Jamaican time, there's a new reading from the Jamaican New Testament. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. My name is Diane Boyd, and today, may I go read from the book we name Acts.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament.
Today, may I go read from the book we name Acts, chapter 8, verse 26 to 40. Now, one of the Lord angel go to Philip and said to him, "Get up and go take the south road, the road will go from Jerusalem to Gaza." People don't really use the road there again. So Philip get up and left. When him did a travel upon the road, he buck up one man we come from Ethiopia. Him a did one important man. Him did in charge of all of the money for Candice, queen for Ethiopia. Him did go to Jerusalem to go worship God. And when him a go back to him yard, him did sit down in him ass and buggy and read the book where the prophet Isaiah write. The spirit tell Philip say, go join that buggy there and stay close to it. Then Philip run up to the buggy and hear the man a read sitting where the prophet Isaiah write. Philip asks him, say, "You understand what you read?" The man say, "Oh, me fi understand if nobody no help me and tell me what it mean." So him ask Philip to come sit down with him. The part of God's word where the man a read, this is what it say. Them take him and lead him where, like all them would lead one sheep, go to the place to kill him. And see him like one baby sheep turn up and no make one sound when them a cut off him wool. I see him so him never say a word. Them shame him and take him make preke, and him never get no justice. Nobody can talk about him picnic them, cause them kill him. The man asked Philip, say, "Tell me something. Who the prophet did I talk about? Himself or somebody else?" So Philip started the same part where him did I read and preach to him the good news about Jesus. Then they still a go on the road when them catch a one place where water there. The man who in charge of the money said to Philip, "Look, see water there? Who have to tap me from get baptized right now?" So the man order him driver to tap the buggy. Then him and Philip go down in the pool of water and Philip baptize him. After them come up out of the water, all of a sudden, God's spirit just take away Philip, and the man who in charge of the money never see him again. So him head for him yard and give God praise. Then Philip say God's spirit take him go to Azotus. From there, so, him go and preach God's word to all the town them till him reach Caesarea. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.